Did you know the man history remembers as a monster once made the most feared army on earth turn around and go home? In 1462, Sultan Mehmed II marched into Wallachia with 90,000 soldiers. This was the same man who had crushed Constantinople just 9 years earlier. Nobody stopped him. Nobody even slowed him down, until he reached the outskirts of the Wallachian capital. There, stretching for miles along his path, stood a forest of 20,000 impaled bodies, Ottoman prisoners, arranged deliberately, precisely, on the exact route Mehmed would travel. Vlad III had done the math. He knew he could not match Ottoman numbers on a battlefield, so he fought a different battle entirely, one inside the minds of his enemies. It worked. Mehmed II, the man who broke the walls of the greatest city in the world, looked at what Vlad had built and ordered his army to retreat. No siege, no battle, just silence and the slow march home. The monster was never the point. The message was.